Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. Welcome to this segment, which is called Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see, there's an assortment of things here, and what we are going to make is vegetable lasagna. So we were going to make it anyway, so I thought I would film it. So as you can see in this bowl, there is an assortment of vegetables that I have cut up finely, mainly carrots, cauliflower, courgettes, what else? A little bit of aubergine there, but we do have these because I like aubergine so much. I always fry them first a little bit. So as you can see, I've burnt a few there. And also potatoes. So we have potatoes, aubergine that has been fried already, a mixture of vegetables, tomatoes, spices, which I will explain later. So we have some garlic cloves here, garlic and ginger, mixing that. So we always froze these. So this is crushed garlic and ginger, and that is chili. So over here we have some onion that is browning very nicely, and over here are the lasagna sheets. Okay, so let's make a start. Can we? Yes, we're going to add the garlic clove and things. Okay, so we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes now. Can we turn the heat up, please? Okay, that has been heating for 3 minutes. Can we put the tomato in, please? No, the tinned one. So you can either do tomato puree or chopped tomatoes. Okay, so this is tomato puree going in. So we're going to give that a good mix and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And whilst that is cooking, we're going to prepare the vegetables. So this is the vegetables. Can we add a little bit of oil, please?
Oil.
Little bit.
Oh yeah.
Nothing, that's sufficient. And to that, can we add the spices? So we've got paprika. It's all your choice. We like paprika and chili. Okay, salt and pepper.
This one.
And give that a real good mix. So salt to obviously salt to taste, and give that a good mix. And we're going to put that to one side so that everything blends in. So the base is ready, and into that we're going to add all of the vegetables. As you can see, again, I'm making a very large portion, but you do it to your taste or quantity. And we're going to give that a real good mix and let it cook for 5 minutes. So the vegetables have cooked nicely, and into that we're going to add a sauce of our choice. This is onion and garlic. So can we give that a good mix, please? Okay, and we're going to cover that with the lid and cook for about 8 minutes. So we think the vegetable mixture is ready now, and we're ready for our next steps. So this is our lasagna dish, viewers. Just going to grease it a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to put these things in various layers. Can we have the potatoes on first, please?
Potatoes.
Okay, we're going to have a layer of aubergines on there. So as I say, these have been cooked a little bit to soften them further, but if you don't like them soft, then it's entirely up to you, of course. So as you can see, we've got the aubergines. You could put it in 2 layers if you so wished, but we only like 1 layer of it, and another layer is going to be just potatoes and tomatoes. Okay, so onto that goes the vegetable mixture and sauce. So a generous helping of that, because we have prepared quite a bit. So that's ready for the lasagna sheets now. Okay, that's the first layer of the sheets. Can we have the potatoes on there, please?
Potatoes. Potatoes.
Okay, the potatoes are on. Can we have the tomatoes on next, please?
Uh-huh.
Okay, the tomatoes are on. Can we have some more of the mixture on there, please? Okay, that's on, and we're going to add another layer of the lasagna sheets onto that. Okay, cameraman missed the putting the cheese on. We're just cutting to the end then, so lasagna sheets were put on, and now the final layer of cheese. So that's our lasagna ready, and we're going to put that into the oven for about 35 minutes. There we have it, viewers. Vegetable lasagna. Let's have a taste then.
Yarakada.
There we have it on the plate, viewers. So as you can see, really succulent.
Nice, eh?
That tastes lovely.
Oh.
Okay, viewers, I do hope you liked today's recipe. I do hope you will try it. Just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please watch fully. Until the next time, I say goodbye. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.